how to customize which apps to block from opening Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the Samsung Internet Browser app. Next, we go down, then tap on the menu button at the bottom, and then tap on Settings. In the Internet Settings, we go down and then tap on Privacy Dashboard. Next, scroll down, and in here, tap on Block Apps from Opening Internet. Now, in the list here, go down the list and tap on the app. Tap on the toggle button right next to the app to allow the app or block the app from opening Samsung Internet. And that's it. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on or off. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.